I grew a YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just over 1 week. Shortly after, that channel got monetized. I earned $270 in my first month, and that very quickly grew to almost $19,000 only a few months later. You see, by creating a YouTube channel that gets 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube allows you to then place ads onto your videos, and you in turn earn a share of that ad revenue. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel using methods to get monetized fast in a high-paying YouTube niche. Step 1 is to pick a niche with a high CPM. CPM is the amount that advertisers pay for every 1,000 views on your videos. And 3 niches with some of the higher CPMs are health and fitness, paying up to $15 for every 1,000 views, personal finance, paying up to $25, and educational content, paying up to $10. Take this health and fitness channel, for example, Medina's. They've got over 600,000 subscribers, and many of their videos are getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. And according to Social Blade, with a CPM of $15, they're earning around $35,000 every single month in YouTube ad revenue. That's over $1,000 per day, and they're also getting over 1,000 subscribers every few days. So how are they growing so fast? It's not just from their regular videos. These guys are also utilizing YouTube Shorts. These simple, quick, engaging YouTube Shorts videos, such as top 10 calcium-rich foods, get hundreds of thousands of views in a short space of time. And why, you may ask? Well, YouTube pushes YouTube Shorts massively, making them one of the fastest ways to reach 1,000 subscribers to get monetized fast. And by far the easiest way to create these YouTube Shorts is by using a tool called InVideo AI. And I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Once you click onto that link, you simply want to enter in a few simple details to get signed up to InVideo AI absolutely for free. Once you are signed up, you will be taken to this dashboard. And here is where we're going to be creating our YouTube Shorts. Now, before I show you exactly how to do that, we're going to be coming back to this, so make sure that you leave this tab open. I first want to show you method 2 for getting monetized fast, and that's making sure that we create our YouTube Shorts videos around highly trending topics. So let's say that you did want to monetize a YouTube channel in the highly profitable health and fitness niche, just like this channel right here, Medina's, or like this one right here called Bestie Health with almost 5 million subscribers. For this second step in getting monetized fast, what you want to do is identify these larger channels in your niche, and you want to click onto the link in the description of this video for vidIQ. Once you get signed up to vidIQ, I'm going to be talking more about that platform in a second. You will see this sort of feature over here on any channel that you go to, allowing you to click onto where it says view trending videos. Now, this part is super important because it allows you to see which of these videos on these channels that YouTube is pushing out the most, which are currently trending and getting the most views. So for example, this video right here on 6 basic nutrients is getting over 40 views every single hour. And you want to take a look at a few of these different channels in your niche, such as this one, for example, Med Today, another health and fitness channel. If I click onto this icon right here, go over to view trending videos, we can see the highest trending video on their channel is this one, most nutrient dense foods, superfoods, getting over 34 views every single hour. And you want to identify keywords in these trending videos, such as superfoods right here. And you then want to go over to vidIQ. Again, guys, I got a link in the description of this video. Once you click onto that link and you get signed up to vidIQ, you want to make sure that you've clicked onto where it says keywords right here. And you want to type in that trending keyword that you would have identified, such as superfoods, and simply hit enter. You can then click onto where it says questions to see what people are searching for on YouTube related to that trending topic. So for example, what are the 3 digestive superfoods are being searched for over 2,600 times on YouTube every single month. However, the competition is high. That means if we did create a YouTube Shorts or a YouTube video around this exact topic with these keywords in its title, we're unlikely to get a high number of views, if any. Instead, what you want to do, you want to target low competition or very low competition keywords. So I'm going to sort by the competition column right here, and here we can see a bunch of these YouTube searches with a competition score of very low. So for example, how to cook spinach superfood, which is perfect because with a very low competition, this means that when those 1,400 searches are occurring on YouTube every single month, our video can appear near the top of the YouTube search results. As you can see in this example, for when people search for these particular keywords, my video appears near the top. That's because I optimized this video for YouTube search using this method. And as you can see, even to this day, over 32% of views that I get to that video uploaded almost 2 years ago come from YouTube search. And what you'll find, even though, 1,426 doesn't sound like a high number, if your video starts getting engagement, starts getting likes, comments, YouTube will pick that up and the algorithm will recommend it to a much wider audience, which is how your YouTube Shorts, your videos can get a huge number of views. And just for some added context, guys, on that video, as you can see, since it's been uploaded, overall, only 5% of those views came from YouTube search. The remainder of those views overwhelmingly came from YouTube pushing that content via its algorithm due to the engagement, that initial engagement that it was getting. And I'm going to show you how to create a video around this topic right here, how to cook spinach superfoods, a YouTube Shorts that can massively drive engagement due to the quality of the video using a new update that InVideo AI has just released. So going back to our Open InVideo AI tab, we can now very easily create an incredible, highly engaging YouTube Shorts. And by drawing inspiration from these other highly successful channels in the niche that we'll be creating our videos in, looking at this trending videos feature, I'm going to simply head back over to InVideo AI and type in a single line of text or prompt, such as create a 30-second food recipe video about how to cook the tastiest spinach superfood dish for maximum nutrition. And I can then describe how I want the video to appear in terms of the effects and background music and so on. I've simply said make it fast-paced, cinematic, use dynamic camera angles and camera movements, use upbeat music. And with literally one click of a button, I can click onto where it says generate a video right here. And for maximum quality, make sure that you've got generative media selected. You can then select the audience that you want your video to appeal to, either food enthusiasts, people who are health conscious, home cooks. I'm going to pick home cooks in this particular example. You can then select the subtitle style, bold popping, standard or outline. I'll keep it as standard for now. And of course, the platform that we'll be selecting will be YouTube Shorts, which we know that we're using as a sort of tool to get monetized fast as part of our overall YouTube monetization strategy. You can then click onto where it says continue right here. And in only a few minutes, our YouTube Shorts video is ready. Let's give it a play.
To supercharge your health in just 30 seconds. Behold, the power of spinach. Sizzle garlic, add spinach, watch it transform. A squeeze of lemon, a sprinkle of pine nuts. Voila, your iron-rich, vitamin-packed masterpiece is ready. Spinach, the superhero of your plate. Boost vitality, strength, and wellness.
As you can see, the quality of that YouTube Short, especially with that new generative media option selected, was absolutely incredible. Everything from the sort of opening scene, that man jogging while carrying a bag of spinach, to the background music, it gave us exactly what we asked it to and more. Now, if you did want to edit the video, you can do so in a variety of different ways. One way, let's say that you wanted to change the language of the video, I can simply click onto this command box right here and type in change the language to Spanish before clicking onto where it says generate.
Para recargar su salud en solo 30 segundos, contemplen el poder de las espinacas.
And it's done exactly that. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to hit undo right here to change it back to English. And you can also change the voiceover of this video for your own voice. And to do that, you want to click onto this hamburger menu right here, click onto where it says voices, and you can simply click onto where it says add voice to upload a 30-second recording of your own voice, which I've done right here to clone your voice. So going back over to our video, I could then simply type in change the voiceover to my cloned voice, and again click onto where it says generate. Ready to supercharge your health in just 30 seconds. Behold the power of spinach. Sizzle garlic, add spinach. So I'll leave it at my cloned voice, and you can literally make any changes via this command prompt box right here. For example, I can say something such as move the subtitles over to the bottom, click onto where it says generate. And if you wanted to swap out any of this generated media, what you can do is click onto where it says edit right here, make sure you've got media selected, and you can click onto where it says stock media to browse a wide range of this different stock media footage that you can replace any one of these scenes with. You can also use the search bar right here to search for different spinach related scenes, for example. But what I recommend you do, guys, is keep it at the generated media for that added quality. So if I click onto where it says says generated media right here and have any of these different scenes selected, it will give us all of this alternative generative media that we can replace that first scene with. Alternatively, if you click onto this plus symbol right here, what you can do rather than selecting any one of these is you can literally describe the exact scene that you want that particular generated media scene to be replaced with. So rather than someone running holding a bag of spinach, I can say something like a smiling and happy cyclist riding his bike while holding a bag of spinach, and then click onto where it says generate a clip right here. And it's given us exactly that, allowing us to include these really personalized and engaging unique video clips as part of our YouTube Shorts by using this generative media option. So I'm going to click onto where it says replace right here to replace that first video, and I'm then going to click onto where it says apply. And finally, if you wanted to edit any of the script for your YouTube Shorts video, again, click onto where it says edit, click onto where it says script right here, and you can very easily edit out any of this script. So once you're happy with your video, which I absolutely am, before we download it, what I will say is you can try InVideo AI absolutely for free. But if you do want to use their generative capabilities, I highly recommend upgrading to their generative plan, which is the one that I use, as you can see right here. Now, it does start at $96 per month, but it's by far the best bang for your buck. And the reason for that is you get 15 minutes of generative credits, which is enough to upload a YouTube Shorts every single day. And by uploading these high quality shorts to your channel more frequently, the more engagement you'll get, the faster you'll reach those 1,000 subscribers, and the faster you'll get monetized. And this can actually help you to save hundreds of dollars as well that you otherwise would have spent on animation, editing, and other production costs as well. Now, if you're already an InVideo AI user, what you can do is simply head over to where it says add-ons right here, and this is where you can also purchase generative seconds. And to actually upload our video to YouTube, I'm simply going to click onto where it says download video right here, no watermarks and no InVideo AI branding selected, along with download resolution of 1080p. Click onto where it says continue. And when you upload your video to YouTube, remember to insert the title that we identified on vidIQ, which was how to cook spinach superfoods. We know this is a highly searched for yet low competition keyword that we can include within our title so that our video can rank and actually start getting those views. So I've included that title right here, plus for maximum nutrition. Now, this is also with vidIQ, guys, this AI description generator. It helps to generate your video description. What I'm going to do is simply copy over this title, insert it into this description generator, and I'm also going to say something like subscribe right here before clicking onto where it says generate, and it will give us a suggested video description. I'm simply going to click onto where it says insert right here. It says learn how to cook spinach superfoods for maximum nutrition in this easy tutorial, and very importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes. Now, AI generated videos on YouTube are fine, guys. Just make sure before you upload it that you do select yes under altered content for full disclosure and to remain compliant. So by incorporating YouTube Shorts onto your channel as part of your monetization strategy, and by optimizing your YouTube video titles for YouTube search so that your videos can actually rank on YouTube and get found, and you want to make sure that you're doing this for both YouTube Shorts and your longer form videos as well. Remember, guys, YouTube Shorts are great for maximizing and getting a high number of subscribers very quickly, and those longer form videos, which will also create in InVideo AI, are great for amassing those watch hours. Remember, you do need 4,000 hours of watch time in addition to those 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube, and that can happen incredibly quickly in literally a matter of weeks. I'm speaking from first hand here, guys. We've done everything that we need to do to absolutely speed up that time. And when you do get monetized, there are a ton of other ways that you can make money with YouTube too, not just from ad revenue. In fact, even before you get monetized, you can start making money with affiliate marketing. And if you want access to a list of different niches and corresponding affiliate marketing products that you can promote within those niches, I've actually put together a document which you can access for free by clicking onto the link in the description of this video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in general, you can watch a complete affiliate marketing tutorial that I've put together right here. And if you got value from this video, please make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every single time that I release a new online money making video. Take care.